Morning. Just setting up for a new job here at an old quarry at Thornton quarry here. Being a digger driver coming from us, lads, just setting up here. Not a bad job this one. It's about 600 metres in total of just some V-mesh. So excuse the wind, it is windy, but we've got a digger driver in front of us here, sort of clearing a path, which is fine. We've got an old chain link fence here. We just meant to scrape this bit, but he's actually scraped it all and took the fence. He's actually took it a lot lower than the ground level. It like goes down like that, so he's going to have to come back and fill that in. Bit of a miscommunication between the guy who owns the site and the driver. He thought he was doing us a favour, digging us a track all the way down. We're going to get this front bit as much as we can do, let him fill it in, and we will keep you updated. See, lads are just getting set up. We've got the signs out and stuff, you know, so we're working on a highway here. Should be a good one. Keep you updated on this.
So I just wanted to show everybody what will be happening next. Obviously you can see lads are over there up Main Road. Once they've done that, we'll going to try and get the vans up here. Depending on weather, if it's nice and dry we'll be alright, but it's just really probably not the best, but we'll try. Not too bad up here, to be honest. It's all nice and flat. Obviously we're just going to come in front of that fence. It doesn't have to be a 1.5 metre gap from the fence, so we'll get as close to it as possible and we'll go all the way around. But it's right drop down there. How overgrown it is in there. Good morning. So hi guys, where's your Ivies?
Just putting it on.
Oh, you're just putting it on now, are you? So lads, got a load out yesterday as well, so they've done 118 metres so far. Measured the full job as well. You see they've gone all the way from down there all the way on, and that's where they're to now. Beautiful day up here. At least today loads of hay bales out on fire, so smoke's a minimum. So let's show you what they'll be on with today. Jamie will get his Ivies on at some point. So what they're going to be doing today, they're going to be going from there all the way down here, following this line. This pole they've put in the floor there, that's 1/6, so they're going to attach the line to that now, so they've got a nice line. And then they'll be coming all the way on to this wall. I reckon they'll get all this done today, this side. So they'll be coming onto that wall, attaching on, and then they will be making basically a box funnel gate system. So they'll be coming off that wall, going to where the gate just opens there, post it each side just after the gate, attach our gate, and then there's enough room for that one to open. We're going to see if the guy's going to pull this stump out with a digger today, get that out of the way so this fully opens, come off that wall, probably start up at the top and work our way down. But yeah, it's flying in anyway, that's for sure. That is for sure. So yeah, I'm going to get off. I'm going to leave them to it. and I'll be back later on just to see how they're getting on. But we will see you later, guys, and I hope you have a good one. There we go, look, iVis is on now. That's what we like to see. But yeah, we'll see you later.
Right, this is where we're at, day 3. We're at the other side now. I've got that line boshed off. Going up here, I think we put 45 metre in this morning, and then got this nice and tight to this edge here, and then we're going to be going all the way around this perimeter. And that will be going down that wall and all the way around the back, so yeah. Good morning, it's Friday, we're just finishing off that week. We had a good solid week at it. We'll be, that's the road down there where we finished off Thursday. So we'll be down there Monday, we'll have that in. Show you what we've done. It's all curling round nicely, looks well when it curls like that. Nice and tight at farmer's boundary there. All stepping, lovely. Dig's been a bit harder up here. It's like stone, like sandstone, so it's been a bit more of a challenge, I'd say. We've overcome it. I think we've put 60 metre in up here. Not counting. So yeah, we'll be back down to that gate Monday, finish that off, and then we'll be on here. We're running this stretch in here, tight to that wall, up to that wall, take a left there, we're down there, and then we're up there. So yeah, it's been a good week, so we'll be back with you Monday, guys.
Morning YouTube, just getting some stuff together in the office, but we've actually got Mark Abel's lot from Eco, Cork, whatever they're called, coming to spray our little cabin today, which should waterproof it and insulate it. These lads are here, we're just waiting for the main man himself. So yeah, should just spray straight over this with the cork stuff. It'll do the roof, it'll insulate it and everything. It should look good when it's done. It's actually, I've just had to move the panels. It's a bit rough around this side, like. It's actually a bit rotten here. Might just have to put a piece of wood on there actually. But yeah, it'll be interesting. Couple of coats of this Eco. One of his lads are saying that van over there, waiting to go. Look at the difference. Very good is that. Job well done there, Marco.
Thank you, sir.
Very impressed with that. Covered up that rubbish cabin. Looks brand new now. I'll better get it on eBay. Just gonna put his water tub back. But look at that, beauty. Nice thermally protected now and waterproof. Impressed. If you need any work doing, just let me know. I'll put you in touch with Makeover, Eco Elite, or Elite Eco, and just let us know. Yeah, I forgot to say the guys have they're actually down in Leeds, Kirkstall Road today. They're doing a job we've already done. Actually, they're doing some an alteration of some gates. The client got some gates, and now it's a motorhome hire place. His motorhomes are a lot bigger now that he's got some, so he needs his gates making wider. So we're basically adding a metre wing onto each gate, so make them from 4 metres to 6 metres wide. So quite an easy job for the lads, really, probably half a day.
Afternoon, people. We're just working down on Kirkstall Road here in Leeds. We've actually done this installation last year. We put some double gates in here and secured the perimeter off. Bag is just floating off here. I'll explain what we've done. We've actually made these gates wider. They're having issues with people banging into them, so we've actually, as you can see there, we've actually extended a metre on each side, like a little extension. Like, we've added some wings, as we call it. They've been bolted through there on style nicely with some nylocks, all sanded up and sprayed back up. So yeah, we've had to dig this post in here and set them back so we can get his wings installed, and then tap back on there with his panel twin wire to post. So yeah, all neat. Show you this gate. It's been busy down here. There've been people in and out, which haven't made it easy for us, but the client's over at Moon. So you can see that one there, all bolted. There's actually 3 bolts through. So re-drilled the drop bolts. So yeah, it's gone well. It's about 1 o'clock, so not a bad day for us.
Good morning, everyone. Another great week here at Airedale fencing. Sun's shining, beautiful day, look. The shades on, and it's meant to be even hotter over the weekend and into next week, which is good. As you've probably seen in the footage, the guys have been on a big job fencing off around a quarry in Bradford, so at least we can get the van all the way around without slipping and sliding on the mud. So yeah, they'll be on that probably a couple of weeks now. About 600 metres to do, so a good crack for them. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.